Hey guys, I sold V10 index here and moving nicely well in profit. The signal was shared as well. I was able to get the sales on this index. So firstly, I went to the daily time frame because whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, whenever I want to analyze the market, I start from the high time frame. It can be the daily time frame, the monthly time frame, or the weekly time frame. So here on the daily time frame, you can see that this index has been on a downtrend. Whenever I go to a higher time frame, the first thing I do is to identify where the market is headed to identify the market direction, and we can tell that this index is on a downtrend, right? A downtrend market is a market where we see price create series of lower highs and lower lows formation. So here we can see that price was creating series of lower highs and lower lows. We got the first high at this point, basically the second high, a lower high. We can see the market formation, the third high at this point, a lower high, right? A lower high, the fourth high here, a lower high, and the fifth high at this point, a lower high. So this market formation is trying to tell us that this index is on a downtrend, and we got the lower lows at this point. The first low here, another low at this zone which we spotted already, and the last low here, a lower low. So this is the market structure on the daily time frame, the market direction. So on how we've identified the market direction, the next thing you do is to spot the levels and zones. But the market direction firstly would give us a view and would give us a bias and a point of focus. Now we are focused mainly on the sell side of the market. We're looking out for sell opportunities on the volatility 10 index, right? So we got this level as one of those key levels, those important levels, because you can see how market reacting on this level as a support, right? And we got price creates this head and shoulders pattern formation. This head and shoulders pattern formation, the left shoulder here, the head and the right shoulder at this zone. So this is a bearish reversal pattern formation, and we can say that this pattern formation is giving the sells to the downside, right? So our next level is at this point, basically market reaction. Here has a support. There was a break retest, support broke with 100 resistance at this point as well, and we're getting the sells to the downside. So when we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see the market direction clearly, and we can see the market structure as well, and we're already aware that this index is on a downtrend. So look out for more of sell opportunities, because when market is on a downtrend, look out for more of sell opportunities, and when market is an uptrend, look out for more of buy opportunities. So I identified this key level of resistance, right, which was once a support. You got price buy on this level as a support. There was a break retest, support broke with on resistance, the sells to the downside, the retest at this same point, the sells to the downside, and we got price create this lower highs formation, which is a very structure that's added to my sell confluence, right? We got the first high at that point, the second high at this zone, a lower high, and the last high at this point, another lower high. So I was like, if price can create this 3 lower highs formation, which is a very structure, and we have this key level of support broken on resistance, then there's a possibility of the sells on market retesting this broken key level of support on resistance. So I went to a lower time frame to have my entry, and on the 1-hour time frame, you can see how this index is selling nicely well. We're moving in good profit. The signal was shared as well. So we got this lower highs formation on the 1-hour time frame, which added to my sell confluences. So we got this uptrend as well that got broken. We had price create this uptrend, which I also identified, right? We got a break of this uptrend, and whenever an uptrend is broken, we see price change direction to a downtrend. We see price start moving in a downtrend direction, creating lower highs and lower lows. So I was expecting the sells basically on this index, but I have to go to the lower time frame to have a good entry point. So after spotting this market structure, this lower highs formation firstly, then this break of trend on the 1-hour time frame, remember I'm looking out for sell opportunities. So I went to the 15-minute time frame and had a clear view of this our identified zone, this point where we got our sell entry at. This level was a key level because you can see how price sold on this level as a resistance. Firstly, resistance at this zone, right? Resistance here, right? Support at this point. There was a break and retest of this identified level. Support here, support at this point, right? Support at that zone, support here as well, and now we are getting price sell to the downside. So I waited patiently for market to break below this identified level, this identified key level, for me to get my entries, and market did as I was expecting. So we got price break and retest this level, and I entered on this bearish candlestick. You can see the clear break retest at these green candle rejections here. Then I got my entry at this zone. We are moving nicely when in profit. More sales is expected. I had my SL at this zone. My general TP level is on this green line, right? More sales is expected. Even if price to get to this green line here, I'm expecting more sales on this index in the coming hours and days, at least to these lows here. These lows, I'm expecting this index to sell to this zone. So that's my trade review on this index. That's why I was able to take the sales on volatility 10 index. I also share trade setups on my free Telegram channel. The link to join my Telegram channel is on my YouTube channel page and also on every video description. So that is, guys, hit the like button and drop a good comment for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chilling means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.